in California, and I don't know why I'm thinking of ya. It's been so long since we met, but when it's summertime you always in my head. Body on the beach, drink in my head, feel the energy, don't have to pretend. Sexy señorita, come with me right now. You wanna have fun, I'ma show you how. We gonna get so high that we can touch the sky. I just need one more drink, 'cause it's summertime. California, party all night, 'cause we only live once. We're living so fast that we don't wanna die young. Tell me what you think, what you wanna drink. I know this body feels like it's just a dream. Got a lot of ladies coming to my crib. We wanna have fun, got no time to sleep. We gonna go so far, we will never come back again. We're gonna touch the stars and we'll be shining until the end. We're gonna get so high that we can touch the sky. I just need one more drink, 'cause it's summertime. She asked me if I change, I tell her not this side, because you know my girl. Right now it's summertime. We gonna get so high that we can touch the sky. I just want more drinks, because it's summertime. Go! In California, and I don't know why I'm thinking of ya. It's been so long since we met, but when it's summertime you always in my head. Body on the beach, drink in my head, feel the energy, don't have to pretend. Sexy señorita, come with me right now. You wanna have fun, I'ma show you how. We gonna get so high that we can touch the sky. I just need one more drink, 'cause it's summertime. California, party all night, 'cause we only live once. We're living so fast that we don't wanna die young. Tell me what you think, what you wanna drink. I know this body feels like it's just a dream. Got a lot of ladies coming to my crib. We wanna have fun, got no time to sleep. We gonna go so far, we will never come back again. We're gonna touch the stars and we'll be shining until the end. We're gonna get so high that we can touch the sky. I just need one more drink, 'cause it's summertime. She asked me if I change, I tell her not this side, because you know my girl, right now it's summertime.